New things for this U17-5 are going to be standard from the factory, a thumb mount. So these are welded on at the factory. Allows us to mount a thumb in operation with a bucket for those landscapers and hardscapers, utility line work. We've also got standard from the factory, the diverter valve. This allows us to plumb in our thumb as well as an auxiliary hydraulic attachment out front. So in this case, for example, I've got the hydraulic breaker. I can also put an auger out front.
Want to put some extra horsepower behind your operations? Click the link below to subscribe to Equipment World's daily newsletter for the latest construction equipment news, trends, and reviews.
Because it's a -5 series, we get LED work lights. These are a standard feature for the -5 machines. We've got a swing frame for the boom only, so we can swing just the boom out, or we can turn and swing the entire house. Our tracks are expanded retractable on the width of the undercarriage as well as the dozer blade, so now I can expand the blade to match the tracks. Because I can retract the undercarriage and shorten the width of the dozer blade, I can now carry this through a gate or a doorway, work inside a building, do some basement work with it. There's some that will rent this machine and lower it down into basements, do some demo work in those basement areas. This is great for digging out footings. I've even seen this U17 dig out a swimming pool in a backyard. While sitting in the cab, I've got a fully retractable seat belt, the hydraulic lever lock, the ergonomic design to the ISO pilot control joysticks, 4-way function joystick controls. I've got 2 foot pedals at my disposal, plenty of foot room. It's a quiet cab space. Even for an open ROPS, it's well under the OSHA requirement for ear protection. I do have a switchable pattern control, so I can swap between the ISO and backhoe controls. The monitor has been moved forward, so it's more in line with the line of sight for the operator between where he sits and the dig out there at the bucket. So we've redesigned this whole panel here. You've got comfortable adjustable wrist rests, one-touch button operation for the auxiliary operation, so I can hit this button and I've got 3 programmed presets in my auxiliary features inside the monitor here. I have an auto idle feature. This is going to be my fuel savings and economy out there on the job site. Here's my USB port. I have a work light button. I have a strobe option button. I've got the key start. I've got the dozer control with 2-speed control button on top. So this controls the operation of the dozer blade as well as the track expansion. Convenient rocker switch for the thumb operation, the horn button. It's all right here laid out within easy reach. Inside this door is going to be our fuel fill and hydraulic oil fill. So it's locked for security out there on the job sites. Easy maintenance. There's a lot of good stuff packed into a tight space here, but it's organized. It's an open station ROPS, not available in cab, but it's easy to trailer. Rental houses and a lot of our Kubota dealers have rental lots that they run the U17 out of because it's easy to throw on a lowboy trailer and haul behind a half-ton pickup.
For more videos like this, click the playlist on the screen now.